I am a monster. My arch nemesis is right up here. Who just said the gym? Hey, buddy, the gym is not my arch nemesis. I go to the gym 5 days a week. This dude just said a treadmill, cardio, a diet. Imagine being on a pirate ship back in like the 1500s. What do you mean he'd be the anchor? Case, I didn't know you were in the Tinkerbell movie. I was?
Hey, someone's been eating them.
Probably wondering, like, you know, where he is and all that. Well, all you need to do is get some food, and we're gonna lure him out, basically. So we're just gonna pretend that we don't care about the food, you know, the food is unattended.